Everybody, and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer, and I'm Jenny, and we're going to talk about some last minute deals that you can do Saturday, and we've got a few, and you know you want to know, so come on in and share with a friend. They'll love you for it. If you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, let's fix you up. Look below and hit that red subscription button and that notification bell, and that way you won't miss any of our deals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information. Alright, everybody, thank you very much for coming back by. And please leave a comment and or an emoji. It's super important. It's the first of the year, and YouTube is watching. And really, really please and thank you, because it is so important. I simply cannot stress how important it is, not only for myself, but any creator that you watch. I don't care if you're just in there for 2 minutes. Please make a comment. It doesn't matter what kind of comment. Like it or don't like it, but interact, because it's a life or death kind of situation. And just know that you're really helping somebody out. Okay? And you might even be saving a life. Okay, everybody. Last minute deals. Well, we talked about several things this week. But first off, let's do a glitch update. The Oral-B dollar toothbrush is no longer seems to be attaching to the $2 coupon. So that overage is out. And just like any other time, if we call overage on an item and you have that available to you, do not try to wait until Saturday, because they will try to fix that as soon as possible. So you go and you try to use that overage right then and there. Okay, we're going to talk about this coupon we've not talked about yet, and that is the Save $175 on an Airwick product. It's working on the $3.35 starter kits. So we're going to pick up one of those. And this, since we're talking about smell good stuff, we're going to pick up 2 Febreze products, because we've got that pretty much buy one get one free. Then we're going to use this glitching Mr. Clean right here, Mr. Clean Clean Free coupon. It is attaching to the regular Mr. Clean, making it $2. So pick up the gain cent. And then, of course, there is your coupon for your Febreze. We're also going to use the coupon for these oral picks. We're going to pick up a pack of those for $3.35. Now, we also have a coupon for $2.25 off of 1 Febreze car product. Okay, and it is working on the 1 count. I think it is. Hold up. It is working on the 1 count from $3.35 up to $4.50. So you can pick up one of those. And then you're going to pick up this Revlon urn that is working on the lip glosses for $4.25. It is not attaching to the peach lip gloss, okay? So don't pick up that one. And that's going to make that lip gloss 25 cents. You can't beat that. But you're at $24.80 here. Yes, really close. And I thought about just grabbing a piece of candy. And you could do that if you wanted to. Or you could get something else that you might actually need. Now, depending on what your needs are, we've got a 75-cent Lysol coupon that's attaching to the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner for $2.75. That's what I have in my scenario, okay? But if you need razors, you can do the big razors and get a $3 earn back, okay? So either way you want to go with this one. But in the scenario, I've got the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. So we're at $27.55. And you've got $17 in coupons coming off. That leaves you a out-of-pocket of $10.55. And you're going to be using a paper 5 off if you have one. It's the best way to go. And you're going to get a earn back also for $4. That leaves you an out-of-pocket of $6.55 for 8 items. And, well, here's the math for this real quick. And just know when you're doing a gain deal that you give them the paper 5 off first, before you put your phone number in. And if you're doing anything that has matching coupons, in other words, it will work on both items, but one will not work on the other, make sure you put that particular item up first. Now we have some instant savings deals going on and some buy one get one free, so we're going to take advantage of that. We're going to pick up 2 of the Scott toilet papers. They're on sale for $4.75. We're also going to pick up a Scott paper towel, and you're looking at $16. Make sure you scan and make sure that everything's coming up to $15 to $16. Excuse, and then you're going to get a $3 instant savings. Now next, you're going to pick up 2 of the Breeze pads products. They are $4.50, but you have a sale, buy one get one free. So go pick up 2 of those if you need those products. If not, my suggestion would be the Colgate Pro toothpaste, because you have a $5 off coupon for that, and that's $7.25. That is your replacement. Now you're also going to pick up the Bounty paper towels for $5.60 if you can find them. You have a $3 digital, working on that, and you also have an urn, so make sure you have your urn clipped, just in case it's glitching and they both come off. Now you're at $26.10. You got $8 coming off before your instant savings. Excuse me, after, oh, I got that all confused. All total, let's put it like this. All total, you got $11 coming off, $16.10 out of pocket for 2 Scott toilet papers, 1 Scott paper towels, 2 pads, and 1 Bounty paper towel. Now, that's 6 items. Next, we're going to do some food. We're going to pick up 2 of the Pragos for $8 and get an instant savings. We're going to pick up 2 of the Pillsbury's, 2 for $6, because they're on sale, and we've got this $1 off. We're going to pick up 2 El Paso tortillas for $4. And we're going to pick up 2 of the refried beans for $2.25 or $4.50 total. You're going to be getting a $1 off for coupon when you spend $6, and then you're going to get a $1 off when you purchase 3 items on your earn. Excuse me, you're not going to get it off, you're going to get it as an earn. So you're looking at $17.50 with this transaction, or 12 items. So not bad, but remember, with food, the out-of-pocket is always high. Next and lastly, we've got a Gain deal. We're going to pick up that Mr. Clean Gain Scented Cleaner for $4. You're going to pick up 2 of the Gain Scented Febrezes for $6.50. 2 Gain Liquid Detergents for $11. You've got a $1.55 and a $1.50 coupon. And then you're going to pick up 1 Gain for $7.50. You've got a $2 coupon. And then, of course, the 5 off when you spend $20 on Gain, and the 5 off 25. Now you are looking at final out-of-pocket of $9.30. And that is a winner chicken dinner. And lastly, as a reminder, I did a video on this a few videos back, but you have earns on the Angel Soft for $1 each, okay? You could do a scenario with 4 of the Angel Softs and get $4 earn back. So you could do 4 Angel Softs. That's going to put you at $23 and change. So you need something small to reach 25. And right there, Something small, gee, right off the top of my head, I don't know. The picks, the Oral-B picks, $3.35. You get a $2 off coupon, so $7 will be coming off of a $26 purchase. So you're looking at like $19, and then you'll be getting back $4 in earns. So you'll be paying like $15 for 4 packs of Angel soft toilet paper and some Oral-B picks. So, not bad, guys. Not bad at all. And on the Palmolive, you got an instant savings, and I do believe it says when you spend $5 on any Palmolive or Ajax, the Palmolive is 2 for $5, so it would be 2 for $4. So there you go, guys. Some winner deals. Go out and get you some. Have a safe shopping day, particularly if your weather's bad, like it is or was down here today. And I'll see you again real soon for more deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information. Please don't forget to like, share, leave an emoji. I love you bunches, and blessings.